a phenomenon running this world. It's abundant. It's all around us. We, humans, have tamed this phenomenon in numerous ways. It runs our lives. It runs our businesses. It runs our industries. One such wonder tool is the regulating power cylinder. The power cylinder accurately and positively positions all types of plant regulators such as throttle valves, dampers and butterfly valves. It consists basically of a cylinder and piston, process control regulator actuator with a position control unit attached to the side of the cylinder is called as positioner. The power cylinder has been designed to operate as the process regulator actuator in pneumatic control system. The power cylinder and position control unit together form a complete position controller in that the received control pressure signal is converted by means of an independent high pressure air supply into an equivalent regulating unit position. Various industries like power plants, sugar plants, steel plants and process industries to control boiler, furnace gases have the use of the most accurately working power cylinders. Let's see how a power cylinder works. The position control unit incorporated in the power cylinder receives air signal from a controller and regulates the high pressure air supply to the cylinder to give a corresponding displacement of the piston. The position control unit operates on the force balance principle and comprises a bellows to receive the control signal, a control spring, one end of which is moved by the piston rod through a cam and bell crank, and a pilot valve to admit and exhaust the high pressure air supply to the cylinder. When the control signal changes, the bellows expands or contracts, opening the pilot valve and admitting air to the cylinder to move the piston. The change in the piston position causes the control spring force to increase or decrease until a state of equilibrium is reached between the opposing forces of the bellows and control spring. The pilot valve is then closed and the piston comes to rest in its new position. Cams can be supplied to give either a linear or logarithmic relationship between the control signal and piston position. An equalizing valve permits the power cylinder to be operated manually in the event of air failure. The unit operates on the force balance principle in that the control signal. The power cylinder comes with an air filter to filter plant air supply. A wide range of power cylinders is available to meet most of the industry requirements. They are available in various sizes and maximum thrusts with end or trunnion mounting options. They also come with reversible scale indicator or position control unit that shows percentage control pressure required to maintain piston in any given position. Various smart positioner options can be fitted to meet various requirements. While mounting the power cylinder, please check that it is securely mounted in the correct position, that all pneumatic connections have been correctly and securely made, and the mechanical linkage or connections to the piston rod joint are correct. With the trunnion mounting method, the power cylinder is supported on trunnion bearings with permit self-alignment in one plane with the IT linkage of final control element, while with the plate mounting method, the cylinder is supported on an end mounting plate which is bolted to a solid foundation. The cylinder can be supplied with an adjustable turnbuckle if required to line up the power cylinder with the regulating unit. If the RPC is to be converted in manual mode and then again to auto mode, both the air release valves need to be opened first. Then pull lever A and try to clutch by pulling lever B with hand wheel and then release lever A. This is how it can be converted into manual mode and can be operated by lever B manually. You can operate hand wheel clockwise for closing the RPC and anti-clockwise for opening it. If you wish to convert it again into auto mode, you need to pull lever A again and try to clutch by pushing lever B with hand wheel and then release lever A to make it free from manual mode. The wheel will be freely operated with manual mode. You need to close both the air release valves to operate pneumatically. With a production facility spread over 1.20 lakh square feet area, equipped with 85 CNC and VMC machines, ERA boasts of a turnover of 45 crores per annum. An ISO 9001 certified company from BVQI London, ERA Power Cylinders assure the best quality and accuracy, offering you 100% performance at absolutely low maintenance cost.